Norton Secure VPN Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think a VPN is just for privacy, but Norton Secure VPN combines security, speed, and ease of use in one package. Norton Secure VPN encrypts your internet traffic to protect your data on public Wi-Fi and prevent tracking from ISPs or hackers. One standout feature is simplicity. Even beginners can install and start using the VPN with a single click. It supports multiple devices, including PCs, smartphones, and tablets. Most people get this wrong. They assume all VPNs are the same. The surprising truth is Norton Secure VPN integrates with the Norton ecosystem, giving extra protection for online banking, streaming, and browsing. It also offers fast connections, which is essential for streaming content or gaming without lag. Another advantage is geographic flexibility. You can switch between servers in multiple countries to access region-locked content or enhance privacy. Automatic Wi-Fi protection ensures you're safe whenever you connect to an untrusted network. However, there are considerations. Norton Secure VPN does not include advanced features like double VPN, Tor integration, or specialized servers for torrenting. The free version is limited, and the full suite requires a subscription. In conclusion, Norton Secure VPN is ideal for users seeking a straightforward, reliable, and fast VPN that integrates with their existing Norton security tools. Its combination of privacy, speed, and ease of use makes it a solid choice for everyday internet protection. Subscribe for more honest VPN reviews before protecting your online activity.